Okay, magandang hapon po. Okay, ang pag-aaralan po natin today ay ang divisibility by 8. When we say divisibility by 8, look at the number to be given. If the last 3 digit of a number is multiple of 8, so this is example of divisibility by 8. Example, 1,000. Yan. 1,824. This is the example of divisibility by 8. Bakit? So, yung the last 3 digit is 824. 824 is multiple of 8. So, ibig sabihin po, divisible by 8. Okay. Example, 824. If you divide by 8, first 8 divide 8 is 1. 1 times is 8. Then 8 minus 8, 0, bring down 2. 2 divide 8 is 0. 0 times 8 is 0. Then subtract 2 minus 0 is 2. Bring down 4. So 24 divide 8 is 3. 3 times 8 is 24. 24 minus 24 equals 0. So 824 is divisible by 8 because 824 is multiple of 8. So if you multiply 1,103 times 8 equals 824. So these are the example of divisibility by 8. The last 3 digit. Yun lang po at sana may naintindihan po kayo sa aking lesson. Salamat po.